Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay students, today we will learn English words. First we are going to learn two-letter words. Okay, we will know how to learn, pronounce. You will then write and practice. Okay, so first you have already done in the previous class. We will revise it. A-N, an. A-T, at. A-S, as. A-M, am. B-E, be. B-Y, by. D-O, do. G-O, go. H-E, he. H-I, hi. I-F, if. I-N, in. I-S, is. I-T, it. M-E, me. M-Y, my. N-O, no. O-F, off. O-R, or. O-N, on. S-O, so. T-O, to. U-S, us. U-P, up. W-E, we. So these are all two-letter words. Now what is two-letter words? Words that has two letters or two alphabets. See, every word is having two letter or two alphabets. So they are called two-letter words. So you all have understand what are these two-letter words. So you will pronounce all these. You will learn, write and practice. So what are two-letter words again? Words that is having just two letters or two alphabets. See, all these words are having two letters or two alphabets. See, A-N, an. One alphabet is A and one alphabet is N. A-T, one alphabet is A, one alphabet is T. So two letter or two alphabets. So learn these two letter words. Next we come to three letter words. Words that has three alphabets. We have learned two letter words. Next we come to three letter words. Words that has three letters or three alphabets. Like A-I-R, air. A-G-E, age. A-N-D, and. A-double-D, add. B-A-D, bad. B-A-G, bag. See, all these are having three alphabets or three letter words. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All three alphabets. So they are called three letter words. Now you will learn, you will pronounce and practice with me. Okay. Say B-A-T, bat. B-E-D, bed. B-I-G, big. C-A-P, cap. C-O-P, cop. C-U-P, cup. C-A-R, car. C-A-N, can. D-O-G, dog. D-R-Y, dry. F-A-T, fat. F-A-N, fan. G-U-N, gun. G-O-T, got. G-O-D, God. H-O-T, hot. H-U-T, hut. I-N-K, ink. J-A-M, jam. J-O-Y, joy. J-O-G, jog. K-E-Y, key. K-I-D, kid. L-I-D, lid. So these are all three letter words. There are some more, we'll learn them. Here are some more three letter words. Let's learn them. Pronounce with me, students. L-E-G, leg. M-A-N, man. M-U-G, mug. N-E-T, net. N-O-W, now. O-L-D, old. OWL, owl. PEN, pen. PET, pet. PUT, put. RUB, rub. RUN, run. RAT, rat. SAT, sat. SKY, sky. TAP, tap. TOY, toy. USE, use. VAN, van. WAS, was. WHO, who. WHY, why. WIN, win. YES, yes. YOU, you. ZIP, zip, and ZOO is zoo. So we have learned today 2-letter words as well as 3-letter words. See, 2-letter words and 3-letter words. So you will have to learn these. You will have to practice, write and pronounce it well. After you have learnt all these, then we will go to 4-letter words and 5-letter words. Thank you, students. Practice and practice. Take care.